Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video, I gonna to show you how to create a long line in Microsoft Word. There are two ways, one textual and second one graphic. So first one, we will make long line by pressing shift and underscore. The first one, shift and underscore. So you can make a long line as you want. And second method, for making the long line, click on insert and click on shape. Now select long line graphic. Now drag and drop. So it will be long line. So friends, by this two method, you can create a long line in Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.